If Jesus is not God, then who is he? Who came to seek and save the lost? Let's read Luke 19:10. The Son of Man is come to seek and to save that which was lost. Now, this passage is talking about Jesus. We know that because the context is talking about him. So who is the Son of Man? Well, it's talking about Jesus in this passage. So if Jesus is not God, then who is he? Now, Yahweh is called the shepherd of his people, and we know that Jesus came to fulfill the law and the prophets. So when we look at this passage in Luke, what do we see? We see the good shepherd who came to seek and save the lost. That's what Jesus did. He came to save sinners. He came to save those who were lost. So if Jesus is not God, who came to seek and save the lost, then who is he? He's the Son of Man. He's the shepherd. He's the one who came to seek and save us. But we can't save ourselves. We can't find our way back to God. We're lost. We're like sheep. But he came and he paid the price for us. He died for us so that we can be saved.